Hey, Mr. Dolan, what are you doing?
Hey, today is an exciting day. We have a for sale sign, and this is a project that we've been working on for about 6 or 8 months. And these are 4 lots. This happens to be O-Row in Carteret Mobile Park, and we're going to be putting in 4 new homes. They'll be 16 feet wide, which everyone loves. And these homes are 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It's going to look really great here. So we're posting our for sale sign because we have 4 homes on order, and we're starting to put up our signs because there's a lot of people looking, a lot of people following our channels, and just love Maria's videos of the beautiful houses. And we wanted to give you an update of what's coming up so you can get your application into us and be first in line when these homes arrive.
Okay, go put the sign out. This is always exciting. We used to wait to put the sign up till the house actually arrived, but I've kind of been encouraging Mr. Dolan to go ahead and put the signs up early so people can get excited. So there you have it. Oop, it's got to get through that rock. Maybe take it back a little. There you go.
That's really hard rock.
Oh my. There you go. Awesome, thank you. So this is a 2-bedroom house, and I forget the square footage. I'll have all the particulars in here.
It's approximately 650 square feet, I believe.
Yes.
Because it's 16 feet wide, the rooms are much wider, obviously. The overall length of each house is 49 feet.
Yep.
So the design is really great design for 2 people.
So the front bedroom is a smaller bedroom. A lot of people use the smaller bedroom as a study, and it's going to be exciting. So we're really thrilled to start this and get people interested. Go to our website first, myhomeincarteret.com. Go to the contact page, fill out the 15 pre-qualifying questions. I'll respond to that by sending you the informational email and then an email to describe and go over your answers. And then I will send you financing if you need it, and then I'll send you how to apply during the COVID, because our offices are closed to the public, but we're selling homes still through email and scanning and regular mail. So there's a lot of ways you can reach to us, and if you're ready to buy and have the dream home of the home of your dreams, we're happy to help you out. So like I said,
and we're doing another house right around the corner.
Yeah, so here's the house that we were videotaping this morning, and they've already framed out the concrete pad. And the reason we weren't able to put the for sale sign here is because we collected all the debris from the previous home. So we kind of have the for sale sign next to it, but again, all 4 houses have been ordered, and this one will be coming first. So this is lot O-9. We're on O-Row at lot O-9. So it'll be O-9, O-10, O11, and O12. They're all going to be the same, except for the outside. They're all going to be different color siding. So come join us here in Carteret Mobile Park. All these homes are built by Dolan Homes. We're a small family business, husband, wife, nephew, son, and our grandchildren. This is our team. Takes a great crew to build these houses. So as you know, lot O9 is coming. It's got a very light colored yellow siding with blue shutters, and the manufacturer calls it Pearl. And here's another house that looks with the same colors, yellow with blue shutters, very cheerful. There's the shutter color. Here's the floor plan, and then we'll show you what's been picked for the inside of the house. This is the look of the kitchen. I don't think it would be exactly like this kitchen, but it's very similar. It's got the Canoe Birch cabinetry, the black appliances, the Bronzite countertop, the white tile backsplash. This is an up close of the cabinet with the European pools and the skirt trim that we add. Here's another look at the cabinetry. And here's the cabinetry in the laundry room. So here's a look at the kitchen with all of those pieces together. The black appliances, the Bronzite. Here's an up close of the glass backsplash. It's tile without grout, very pretty. And here's an up close view of the contrast of the Bronzite countertop with the white glass backsplash. Here's more variations of the Bronzite countertop to give you an idea of what we picked. Here's the farm sink. It's got a lot of pieces that go with it. 4 pieces. The cutting board, the colander, the rack, and then inside the sink there's an actual rack that protects dishes against the bottom. It's really spectacular. It's the highlight of the kitchen. The flooring will be vinyl flooring throughout the whole house, and it's the white cashmere. Very, very pretty. We've gotten a lot of compliments on this. So here it is in the bedroom of a different house, and here it is in the living room. So come join us here at Carteret Mobile Park. We're a land lease community. We have a lease that I attach to the email and the informational email, and I will also attach to how to mail in for the application procedure during the COVID. If you want to stop by, you can turn on Blair Road, follow the sign to our pump house, turn into the community, and you can drive up to the old farmhouse that originally was for this area. And up in the front I have applications, 15 questions, and flyers available for you to pick up at any time. They're also in the back at the laundry room entrance. So what you want to see is the steps that we have available, and take a look at our rental criteria. That's pretty important. And then this is the minimum requirements for the financing, and this is the advantages to living in one of our communities. So we hope you join us at myhomeincarteret.com and help you achieve the American dream of home ownership. Thank you so much.